Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable Premove in chess.com. First of all, launch open chess.com application. You can see over here chess.com application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to enable the Premove, tap on the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for play and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the options related with the gameplay. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for live games. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the option for Premove. Right now it is disabled, so simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find three options over here: multiple, single, disabled. If you select the option for single, you'll be able to make one legal move during your opponent's turn and your next move will be played automatically. If you choose the option for multiple, you'll be able to make multiple legal moves. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here the pre-move has been enabled. Now you'll be able to make the move during your opponent's turn. So that is how you enable pre-move on chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.